My name is Steve Yankee, and I am the owner and president of Brelie Gear here in Waukesha, Wisconsin. Currently, Brelie Gear has 14 employees. We have approximately the same number of employees now as we did back when I first bought it in 2005, but we are now about 3.5 times the size. Our company does, as the name would suggest, we produce gears as our main product. We make gears as small as about 1/4 of an inch in diameter up to a little over 7 inches in diameter. Products go into all sorts of applications that people don't think about. We have products that go into HVAC systems for opening and closing dampers or valves on large buildings, and the power plants for opening and closing valves. Products go into ice cream machines. We have products that go on motorcycles. We have products that go onto huge pieces of earth-moving equipment, are still controlled by a gear that is probably about 1/2 inch in diameter. It's a very small part, right, controlling something that is absolutely massive. So we buy our steel primarily in bar form. From there, we bring it in and we put it into our turning centers, and we start making what's called a gear blank. You basically turn that part and do the rough machining of it. Basically, you make the entire part less the gear teeth. From there, once the part has been blanked out, then we move it over to our hobbing department, where we actually do the hobbing or gear cutting portion of it and cut the teeth on the part. From there, it depends if there are other operations called for. So for example, a lot of gears get heat treated. We don't do the heat treating in-house. We actually use Thermtech of Waukesha, about a mile away. Parts go out for heat treating, they come back. We'll do maybe a light blast when they come back to clean them up a little bit, and they're generally ready to go out to our customer at that point. So Brelie Gear was actually started in 1930 in Milwaukee by Henry C. Brelie. It actually started out as Brelie Manufacturing Company and eventually was changed into Brelie Gear Company. And we moved in November of 2019. We moved out to Waukesha. One of the things that makes us unique is our level of automation, and so we are highly automated for our processing. When we have parts that are auto-loaded by the robotics, we can tell every time. It's consistent. Every single part is the same. That's something that our customers appreciate because they want repetitiveness in their product as well. They want to get the same part every time. It's a great area. It's a great industrial park. It's nice, you know, the schools, we do a lot with the high schools as well. We have kids come through, some of the grade school kids, actually like 6th graders come through. It's always interesting to get, especially the younger people in here and see what manufacturing can be. I feel very grateful and fortunate for the employees that we have. We've got a good group, a good team of people. And I think we have a lot to offer, and I think Waukesha is part of what we have to offer. It's a great area, it's got good schools. There's a lot of real positives with it in this location that other places don't necessarily or can't necessarily offer.